Welcome back, everyone, to Health Spiffy, the ultimate destination for practical health and beauty tips. I'm Leo M., your host for today's exciting journey into the realm of beauty secrets. Today, we're diving deep into the 23 best beauty tips and tricks that will revolutionize your daily routine and leave you looking gorgeous every single day. Let's kick things off with tip number 1. Hydration is key. Keeping your skin hydrated is fundamental to achieving that radiant glow we all desire. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and use moisturizers that suit your skin type. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Moving on to tip number 2. Sun protection is a must. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays not only prevents premature aging but also reduces the risk of skin cancer. Use sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher daily, even on cloudy days, to shield your skin from UV damage. Tip number 3. Cleanse and tone regularly. A clean canvas is essential for flawless makeup application. Develop a skincare routine that includes gentle cleansing and toning to remove dirt, oil, and impurities, allowing your skin to breathe and absorb nutrients effectively. Tip number 4. Get your beauty sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for skin rejuvenation and overall well-being. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to wake up refreshed and with a natural glow. Tip number 5. Healthy diet, healthy skin. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet to nourish your skin from the inside out. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids promote skin health and radiance. Moving forward with tip number 6. Exercise regularly. Physical activity not only boosts your mood and energy levels but also improves blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to your skin cells for a vibrant complexion. Tip number 7. Customize your skincare routine. Understand your skin type and concerns to tailor your skincare regimen accordingly. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, choose products that address your specific needs for optimal results. Tip number 8. Exfoliate wisely. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin underneath. Use gentle exfoliants suitable for your skin type 1-2 times per week to avoid irritation and promote cell turnover. Tip number 9. Master the art of makeup blending. Blend your foundation, concealer, and other makeup products seamlessly for a natural, flawless finish. Use makeup brushes or sponges in circular motions to achieve a professional look. Now, on to tip number 10. Protect your hair. Shield your hair from heat damage by using heat protectant sprays before styling with hot tools such as straighteners or curling irons. Additionally, minimize hair breakage by avoiding tight hairstyles that pull on the hair follicles. Tip number 11. Embrace your natural beauty. Enhance your features with makeup but also embrace your natural beauty. Confidence and self-love are the ultimate beauty enhancers that radiate from within. Tip number 12. Stay consistent with skincare. Consistency is key to seeing positive changes in your skin. Stick to your skincare routine diligently, giving products enough time to work their magic and show results. Tip number 13. Experiment with different hairstyles. Switch up your hairstyle occasionally to keep things fresh and exciting. Try out braids, buns, curls, or sleek styles to complement different occasions and moods. Tip number 14. Practice good hygiene habits. Clean makeup brushes regularly to prevent bacteria buildup and breakouts. Also, avoid touching your face excessively to minimize transferring dirt and oil onto your skin. Tip number 15. Invest in quality skincare and makeup products. While there are affordable options available, investing in quality skincare and makeup products can make a noticeable difference in the way they perform and benefit your skin in the long run. Tip number 16. Find your signature scent. A signature scent adds a personal touch to your overall beauty routine. Explore different fragrances until you find one that resonates with your style and personality. Tip number 17. Practice mindfulness and stress management. Chronic stress can take a toll on your skin and overall health. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to reduce stress levels and promote well-being. Tip number 18. Don't forget your neck and décolletage. Extend your skincare and sunscreen application beyond your face to include your neck and décolletage area. These areas are prone to aging and require equal attention and protection. Tip number 19. Emphasize your eyes. Your eyes are a focal point of beauty. Enhance them with mascara, eyeliner, and eyeshadow techniques that complement your eye shape and color for a captivating look. Tip number 20. Smile bright with oral care. A healthy smile adds to your overall beauty. Maintain good oral hygiene by brushing, flossing, and visiting your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Tip number 21. Embrace minimalism. Sometimes less is more. Embrace minimalist makeup looks for everyday wear, allowing your natural beauty to shine through effortlessly. Tip number 22. Stay hygienic with makeup. Replace expired makeup products regularly to avoid bacterial contamination and potential skin infections. Check product labels for expiration dates and signs of product degradation. Finally, tip number 23. Confidence is key. Own your unique beauty traits and be confident in your skin. Positive self-perception and confidence are the ultimate beauty enhancers that transcend any beauty trend or product. There you have it. 23 game-changing beauty tips and tricks to help you look and feel gorgeous every single day. Remember to incorporate these tips into your daily routine, stay consistent, and most importantly, embrace your natural beauty with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Spiffy for more insightful content on health, beauty, and wellness. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Take care.